Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to change the keyboard language of your Samsung phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then select Languages and Types. After that, just tap on Manage Input Language. And from here, just enable the toggle for the languages which you want to add to your keyboard. Just like that. And if the language is not appearing in the downloaded language section, just look for it in the available languages section. Now, if you find your preferred language in the available languages section, just tap on the download icon in front of your preferred language and it will be automatically downloaded. Just like that. Now, to change the language in your keyboard, just go to your home screen and open your keyboard, and after that you will find a globe icon at the bottom of your keyboard. Now if you tap on the globe icon, you will change the language of your Samsung keyboard. Just like that. And this is how you can change the keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.